All right, folks, we're moving on how to set up your Tallinex brokerage account. As you can see, we've come to Tallinex.com. This is going to be your homepage. A lot of great information on here that we'd love to see you read up on. All you simply need to get going on this is to click on Open Your Live Account. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see all the information here. Most likely you're going to set up a personal account. First name, last name, email, confirm it. Password, confirm it, your telephone number. You will need to come in here, select your country of residence, and then right here, this is very important. You're going to switch the account type from a demo to most likely a micro or a pro account. Micro is below $1,000 that you'll be funding it, and a pro is above. After that, simply come over, get your account currency, US dollar or the euro, depending on where your residence is at. After you've inputted that, simply check the box right here stating that you are okaying. Input your code right here and send in the application. After you have done that, when you come back to this page after logging out, now that you have got your Tallinex account set up, what we are going to do is walk you through how to actually do your documents and uploading and also funding the account. Once you get to this page, you'll simply push onto documents and to upload documents. You will need 3 documents to upload. The first one is going to be your driver's license or passport as far as your proof of ID. To do that, you'll come down here. You will add your first one, come over to description, click on this, and you are going to upload your proof of ID first. You will come in here to your browse button to find the picture that you have uploaded. After you do that, you will have a pending that will be right here. And to add the other 2 forms of ID, you will simply push add and move on to the next ones. The other ones that you are going to need to upload, proof of address, whether this is a utility bill, a wireless bill, whatever it is, it has to have your current address and your name and be within the last 6 months. The third one, you will be able to choose between either a bank statement of a wire transfer that you'll be using with a picture of that and your account number showing. Typically, what most people use is right here. You're going to be using either a debit or credit card to fund your account. On the proof of card ownership for the front, you need to have your credit card and face in the same picture. As far as the back, that's all they need right there. Now, after you've uploaded these documentations, you will need to come over here to the top right-hand corner and click on Live Chat. The reason we do this, if you don't get in contact with them, you could wait up to 24 to 48 hours to see if they approve it. Sometimes your pictures, your uploads may be a little big for them to pull up, so you'll have to resize them. So once you click on the live chat, you'll type in your information right here in the boxes, your name, your email, and any questions you have. After you've started that chat, they'll go back in and simply approve or not approve your documentation. The live chat is also a great area. If you're having any problems at all, hop on here. The customer service with these guys is amazing. They do not pay us to say that. After you have got approved with all your documentation, you're simply going to come over to the funding. You will come down to depositing, click on that. So now that we got all your documentation uploaded and approved, we're actually going to come right up here to the top. We're going to click on funding. We will come to the depositing part of it. As you can see, this is where your choices are. If you are doing wire transfers, you're going to simply click here. If you're using a debit or credit card, you're going to use this here. Click on credit card, come down here, click on OK. OK, we're going to pick, I already have a couple accounts on file. As you can see, all my information is over here. I'm using this account. Now, this is where you'll actually, if you have multiple credit cards or debit cards on file, you're just going to want to click right here and put your amount in right here. Once you do that, you are going to accept these terms. Down here, as you can see, there's actually an agree. You have to type agree right in here. Once you do that, push enter. This is going to take you right here. This is one last step before getting funded. Proceed to the gateway, Once you get to this page, most of your information will actually already be on file. If it is not, input it simply right here. I will tell people, country and state, make sure this typically has to be changed every single time. Do not forget your phone number. Once you get over here, this is where you'll come. You will pick what kind of Visa, MasterCard, whatever you're using. Type in your card number, the three number digits on the back, and then you will push finish. After this has happened, you will actually be taken back to this where it is going to tell you if the status is okay, pending, or denied. If you are in the US, typically most cards will have to be okayed through the credit card or banking institution before they will be allowed to proceed with processing it through Tallinex. If you have any problems, please remember, up in the right-hand corner, live chat. If everything goes okay, status will say okay or good. Once that happens, you are active to start trading on your live. Okay, now that we've got your Tallinex or whatever brokerage account that you have chosen, we are simply going to come back into our MetaTrader 4 app. As you can see, I'm actually back in the settings page down here on the bottom right. Once you push the settings, it's going to bring you to your back screen. Up at the top, you are actually going to push on your trade accounts, and you will see the plus button at the top. Once you type in the plus, you're going to come up here and you're actually going to log into an existing account. Once you log into this account, you will have to go into your Tallinex account and go to your profile. Your profile, you'll actually scroll down to the bottom and it'll have a username and password for your MT4 account. Once you have that, write down both the username and your password, and when you come back in here, you would simply push onto your company or server, which would be Tallinex. It'll bring you into your live, and you would log in and enter your password, and you are now set up to start trading live.